Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we have an unboxing of Xiaomi 10,000 mAh power bank that is called as Mi Power Bank 2i. So let's get started with the unboxing. So guys, here we have the power bank of Mi that is of 10,000 mAh. As you can see, it is written here 10,000 mAh Mi Power Bank 2i. First of all, we see the image of a power bank and written made in India at the top. Let's see the back. It says that it can charge the Mi A1 2.2 full charge and iPhone 7 3.5% full charge. Means it can charge the iPhone 7 3.5 times and an iPad mini 1.3 times, and two-way quick charging. It also supports two-way quick charging. It contains lithium polymer batteries and has an aluminum alloy plus CNC edges. And the price here written is 1,600, as we have got it in offer at the rate of 800 rupees. So let us break the seal and get it out. We have the power bank and a USB cable in the box. So let us remove the power bank and see, as it is covered in a plastic bag. So I have purchased the black matte finish power bank, and it looks gorgeous and it has that matte finish on it, so it feels very soft in the hand. And at the top we have two USB ports for output. That means we can charge two phones or two tablets or two devices at a time. And this doesn't support fast charging. And here is the charging port, which is micro USB. And here are four LED indicators which will indicate us how much charge is there in the power bank. And here is a power button. At the down here we have the Mi logo. As you can see, it looks gorgeous. And at the back here we have written nothing and something properties about this power bank. At the bottom we have 10,000 mAh written and the power bank's name, Mi Power Bank 2i. It gives an input of 5.0 volt to 2.0 amperes. Means it's not a fast charging power bank, and it also gives the output of 2 into 1.5 volts to 2 into 4 amperes. Means it's not a fast charger. So this was it for the power bank. Now I will show you the quality of the cable. As you can see, the quality of the cable is very poor, as every time Xiaomi fails in this. The quality of the cable is very poor. At the ends it feels like very cheap, and they should improve this. And in the box what we get else is some user guide, and that is written in English, the user manual. Okay, now let's charge a device and see if it works. Here I on the power bank. Okay, I don't need to on the power bank. It's a smart power bank. It detects the device connected by its USB port, and it starts charging. As you can see, my tab is now charging, and you can charge two devices at a time. So it's a good product and a good value for money product. So this was it for the unboxing. So guys, this was it for the unboxing, and this power bank is very value for money, and I got it for only 800 rupees. So I'll give the best buy link in the description below, and you can buy from the link below. So thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. Till then, bye bye.